Alright guys, we just got home and here are our 300 heavy white rock chickens, meat chickens. They're about a day old.
2-inch high, 2-inch wide.
Little peepers. And yeah, we got our chicken tractor design almost set up pretty much. And then these are our 50 meat birds, same breed that we started about 3 weeks ago to the date. And they've been on grass since about, you know, a week and a half, 2 weeks old, somewhere around there. But yeah, so this is our, you're gonna see a lot of chicken videos coming up. A lot of chicken videos. So be prepared. Alright, until next time.